Okay, 4th of July just around the corner, and what better way to show you are patriotic than with a brand new flag for either your home or your car.
And home contractor Skip BEDELL is here with the best deals for you.
Guys,
what do you have
happy
here?
Independence Day coming up, right?
Yeah, yes.
True-blooded Americans here, proud to fly our American flags everywhere. And AtlanticFlagpole.com, they make it really easy because they have these cool bundles. I want to show this to you. So this is their 6-foot Outrigger flag. It's made to put on the front porch of your home. You can put it on your garage, wherever. It's very high-quality aircraft aluminum, all American materials, all made here in America. High-quality flags, but the best part is it comes with this great bundle. Yeah, so you get the mount that goes on your house.
Right.
You get a solar light, so you can light it up at night.
Oh, that's great.
Comes with a gold ball topper, high-quality hand-stitched American flag, as well as this Patriotic Eagle flag. You get 2 flags. But the cool part in this bundle, guys, you get this trailer hitch mount, which I love. This is my Jeep, and so you can take the flagpole off your front porch, and when you're going for a trip, you go into the kids' soccer game, or you go into your tailgate,
right.
You take your Outrigger off the front porch, you put it right on your Jeep mount.
Could you put 2 of those on the front of your limousine and look like the president?
Absolutely. I put one on the back of my Harley Davidson. Are you kidding? Going down the road.
Right.
So this is the Home Go Bundle. Amazing from AtlanticFlagpole.com. As you can see, they have tons of flags on their website, all high-quality flags. And then this is kind of like their...
We've seen this before.
Yeah, this is a fantastic product. So this comes in 2 sizes and 2 colors, 20-foot and 25-foot. This is the presidential flagpole for your front lawn. So you simply put this this sleeve in a bag of concrete, really easy install, and then you have the telescoping pole kit that comes with the ground ring. Also that solar light, because it's very important to light up your flag at night. You never want to fly a flag at night. Flag etiquette, it has to have a light on it, or you want to take it down at sunset. So you have the gold ball topper and also the eagle. So both these bundles come with 2 flags and everything you need to fly your flag proudly.
How many flags do they sell on this website?
So they sell, I was only able to display a few here. We have branches of the military. We don't have the Coast Guard up there because we couldn't fit any more flags than there was on here. Right. But they have many different types of American flags, also with police and fire, a lot of patriotic flags, and those bundles come with these too. So you get an American flag and the Patriotic Eagle whenever you buy that kit.
That's
so really, you know.
And you can buy a flag for your boat too, right?
Yeah, you can put it on the boat. What I love about this is that they're an American family business. They make it all out of American materials, American labor, and it's made right here. Even the flags, they're hand-stitched right here in America. And sadly, like if you go on the internet, you'll find stuff that's cheaper, but it's made in China.
An American flag made in China.
You cannot fly an American flag. It has to be made in America.
Yeah, but I saved $3.
Yeah.
So what is the idea behind a telescoping flagpole?
Yes, so that's a great question, Steve. So the idea is that you can actually take it out of this sleeve, right? So this sleeve goes on your front porch, on your front lawn, right?
This thing right here.
You can take it out of here. You can fold it up, put it in your truck, and take it with you to your campsite. This is actually a wheel mount. So you drive your vehicle over this.
Portability.
Yeah, you could actually take the whole front lawn flagpole with you as well. So it's portability. And obviously very high quality flags that come with a bowler. I have this eagle on mine at home. I have the 25-foot bronze with this big eagle flying proud.
That's cool.
And it looks amazing. Cool. So AtlanticFlagpole.com, now's the time to get it. Fly them everywhere. Fly them at home and on your vehicle.
So AtlanticFlagpole.com, or you can always check out SkipBEDELL.com.
Always SkipBEDELL.com. I got cool stuff there.
All right.
Thanks, guys.
Happy 4th.
Yes. Happy 4th.
All right, the 2nd hour of Fox and Friends starts.
Hold on.
Right?
Hold on.
Now.